I'm Nathan, and this is
Lily. And then I'm Charlie.
Charlie's the videotaper.
So be quiet.
Lilo and I are gonna race. We're gonna race on these Barlie cars. If you saw part 1, I beat Charlie. They also make cool sounds. Yeah, and if I win, I go on to I
win the finals.
I win the final, and I'm gonna make Lila do something weird. So cheer for me if you
she's
want
gonna
me
have to either eat something weird or do something weird.
Yeah. So if you want me to win.
But you can also cheer for Lila, and then Nathan will have to do something weird or eat something weird.
If I lose, I have to do something weird. So this is gonna be hard.
Okay, we will start in like 502 seconds. Look at Lila walk. Look at the girl walk. Then look at Nathan too. They're like idiots. Okay, on your mark. Everybody on the wall, first of all. Fully, Nathan. Okay. And Nathan, put your feet back a little. On your mark. Get set. Go! Nathan is in the lead. Nathan wins.
You had to do something weird. No. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, I won.
Okay, Lila, you have to either do something weird that we've never seen before or eat something weird.
I get to pick. Oh, yeah, guys, I want to...
Oh, Lila's doing something weird right now.
No.
I
won the final, y'all. Okay, Lila.
Wait, do your victory dance.
Yeah.
Okay, do something weird or eat something weird.
Okay, I get to pick. Okay, come on.
No, she gets to pick if she does something weird.
Lila! Eat or do something weird?
Which one?
Something weird or do something weird? Okay, I'm saying that to do something weird.
She already did something weird, I think.
I got it! I'm not going to do anything weird. Okay, I'll kill you. Okay, this is what you're going to do. So you're going to go tell the dead people under the floor. Say, I hope you had a good life. I love you. Okay? Okay. Or you're not going to hate the car. Okay. Nathan's the worst guy ever. He sucks and he's weird. If you say that, your face will be cut off. Okay? So I wouldn't mess. Okay? Young one.